If you did not finish the DBQs for the Westward Expansion Unit number 7, you can do the BrainPops with the work that comes with them in the place of a DBQ. And the places we did a DBQ were for number 5, Lewis and Clark Expedition, the Trail of Tears, and the California Gold Rush. Each one of these folders has a BrainPop movie inside that you can watch and do the work for. I'll show you how they work right here. Let's see. Click on the folder. Here's the BrainPop. The DBQs are right there. You're going to bypass them. Go into the BrainPop. Henley BrainPop Go Hornets is the password. Henley BrainPop is the username. You come into the video and you watch the movie, and it might be good to open up another tab if you want, or you can watch the movie and come down here and you're looking for the graphic organizer. Click on the graphic organizer. It opens. You do the work. And after you've done the work, this is filled in. Describe what role each person played during the core of Discovery's journey. BrainPop gives you all of that. You do not need to go to the internet. After you've watched the BrainPop and filled in your graphic organizer, you click Print, and then you click Print My Work. In Print My Work, you add your name. You don't need to add your class, and you click OK. After you clicked OK, this pop-up window comes up, and it will say here, you'll have some options for destination. You want to click Save as PDF. And once you've clicked Save as PDF, your work's there. You click Save. This will pop up on your screen. Put it on your desktop is my recommendation. Name it whatever you want so you can find it easily. You might want to name it Lewis and Clark BrainPop and click Save. I'm going to add Lewis. And now it's on my desktop. I'd come back to the number 7 folder and do the same thing again with the Trail of Tears and the California Gold Rush. Going in, go to BrainPop, watch the movie, do the graphic organizer. From the information I've learned, hit print and do that same process. And then you would submit that as the assignment. So here you'd say watch movie. After you've watched it, graphic organizer. And the graphic organizer pops up. You've got your 5. Answer here. You go down the list, hit print, print my work, your name. And OK. And this box pops up. You want to make sure it's Save PDF. Save. Again, name it Trail of Tears. Save. And then once you've got them saved, you would come back to the assignment and go to the DBQ, and you would hit Submit Work here and upload that.